Bonjour, bienvenue encore à notre cours de français en ligne. Je m'appelle M. Gafarou, professeur de français. You are welcome back to our online French class. Today, what are we going to see? It is all about how to introduce ourselves. In French, to introduce oneself, we can make use of three verbs. These three verbs, we are going to use them in this table to see how they are used to make an introduction. You are welcome back again. Now, the title of this topic is les présentations. Les présentations. Les présentations. Bien. Alors, to introduce oneself, we make use of personal pronoun. In our next class, we see the personal pronoun subjects we have in French class. Now, we have les pronoms. Les pronoms personnels. Les pronoms personnels. These are the following. We have je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il ou elle. And we have indefinite pronoun called on. The meaning of on varies. If the subject is among those who are speaking, on will mean we. When it is not part of them, it's not among those people, on will mean people or they. For example, on joue le foot sur la télé. They are playing ball on TV. You are not part of them. On va au cinéma ce soir. You are part of those who are going to cinema. You say, we are going to cinema this evening. Later, when we talk about personal pronoun, we go more deeper. Je, I, tu, you, second person. Il, or it. Elle, she, or it. Nous, we, the plural of je. Vous, you, the plural of tu. And for respect, vous can also be used to address elderly person. Il ou elle, they. On, I have already explained that on is indefinite pronoun. Now, what are those verbs we can use to introduce ourselves? We have s'appeler. S'appeler. S'appeler means to be called. It's a reflexive pronoun. Remember, we have S apostrophe se. It's make use of the reflexive pronoun. So we see it when we start conjugation. Now, we have another verb that we can use to introduce ourselves. Verb être. Être. Être means to be. Être means to be. An auxiliary verb. And we have the last one. C'est nommer. C'est nommer. C'est nommer means to be named. But all of them, when you are using them to introduce yourself, the translation be I am or my name is. Let's start with the conjugation now. S'appeler. Je m'appelle. Tu t'appelles. Don't forget the S. The agreement in person. Tu. Il s'appelle. Elle s'appelle. Nous nous appelons. Singulier. Vous vous appelez. Singulier. Then, il s'appelle. The ENT at the end is to mark the plural. And on, despite is used for many people, the verb that follow it will always be in singular. So, we have on s'appelle. Je m'appelle. Tu t'appelles, il s'appelle, nous nous appelons, vous vous appelez, il s'appelle. Now, let's move to être. Je suis. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes, ils sont, on est, je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, on est. D'accord? Let's move to next one. C'est nommé. Like this one. C'est nommé is also used here as a reflexive verb because of ce. So we are going to have je me nomme. This is advance. Tu te nommes. Il se nomme. Elle se nomme. Nous nous nommons. Vous vous nommez. Then, il se nomme. Attention. Il se nomme. On se nomme. Je me nomme. Tu te nommes. Il se nomme. Elle se nomme. Nous nous nommons. Vous vous nommez. Il se nomme. On se nomme. Now that we are done with the conjugation of the two verbs, let's see how it works. In the example here, we are going to see how to use them to introduce ourselves. Remember, je is referring to the person that is talking. Alors, I choose here, je m'appelle, exemple, je m'appelle Messieurs Gaffard. I want to talk about another person. I can use this one. Vous êtes Madame Henriette. Let me use the third person here. Elle se nomme Blessing. You can see I use the three verbs to introduce myself, to introduce another person, and here to introduce another person, the third person. You will be wondering, what if you want to know someone's name? Asking question. It's very simple. The use of this interrogative word, comma. Comma is used for s'appeler et c'est nommer. While qui is used for verb être. Exemple. Demandez les noms. Demandez les noms. Comment? This comma can be put before this condition of s'appeler ou c'est nommé. Before, c'est-à-dire here, or after. C'est-à-dire, the comma will begin the sentence. Or it can be at the last, at the end of that sentence. So here I decide to start my sentence with it. So I will write comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? If the third person I want to know, I can say comment elle s'appelle? How is she called? Or what is her name? Now, if it is this one, I will say, comment tu te nommes? Second person. Comment tu te nommes? Oh, the answer of comment tu t'appelles is very simple. Since the question is tu, your answer is je m'appelle. Je me nomme. Ça va? Comment elle s'appelle? Elle s'appelle. On ajoute le nom. Bien. For the third, or for the verb être, we use qui. We use qui. And the qui can be placed also at the beginning of the sentence. Or at the end of the sentence. So the position is the same. So we have qui tu es. Who are you? Who you are, or who are you? It can also be tu es qui. So when we get to how to form interrogative sentence, we see more. D'accord? Qui tu es? You can also have this. Qui es-tu? This at once. So this is how to ask someone's name. Introducing oneself using these three verbs is very, very simple. Exemple, je m'appelle Monsieur Gaffaro. Qui êtes-vous? Qui est-elle? Qui est-il? Qui vous êtes? The answer, send it to my WhatsApp number or give me a comment. Thank you very much. Goodbye, au revoir et à bientôt.